Welcome to the tutorial video for the Virginia Beach Sea Level Rise Story Map. This application is embedded with dynamic maps to enable hands-on interaction with data developed during the study. Some of the maps contain large amounts of data, so please wait a few seconds for the maps to load properly. There is a navigation menu at the top of the application. This is how you will navigate to different sections. You can either click on the side panel or click the arrows to jump to the next section or back to the previous one. Click on the main screen to get started. Simply scroll down and begin reading. When you encounter a map, you will notice a legend in the bottom left. Hover over the legend to view it. You can pan around the maps and zoom in and out of the maps or make them larger. When you encounter a map with an arrow on the right, click to view the next map. Once you get to the end of the section, navigate back to the main menu to get to the next section, or simply click the next arrow at the top. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.